At the New York Times Company, the R&D group's mission is to look around corners. We identify, explore, and demonstrate impending changes in media technology that will impact our business and the customers we serve.
So we developed the Mirror here at the Times in order to explore the different ways that information can be embedded into our daily routines. So you get up in the morning, brush your teeth, comb your hair, but you also have what we like to call your information routine. So for example, Mirror, show me the weather. So here I can get basic readout and see what the forecast is for the day. One thing the Mirror can also do, though, is show me what it looks like outside. So this takes an image every minute or so from a camera across the lab. And you notice they use gesture to pull this image up. We use a Microsoft Kinect embedded into the side of the Mirror to do that. Mirror, show the headlines. So you're probably not going to read an entire New York Times article in the morning on your Mirror. But you can look at the headlines as they scroll down below. And if there's something you like, you touch your phone to it, you can take it on the subway. You're supposed to brush your teeth for 2.5 minutes. And that's a good length of time for a piece of Times video content.
Well, goodbye, Mr. Lovelock.
Mirror, show my health. There's a lot of interesting sensors coming out on the market. For instance, the Fitbit, which measures how much you move throughout the day. So we're looking at my average week in terms of how much I move over the last several months. Monday through Friday, that bright bar is my morning commute. I typically bike to work. Now, content plays into this by adding an interpretive layer on this data. So we know from my schedule that I'm doing a lot of sitting during work hours. And in our archive, we published an article that has to do with that very thing. And we can actually use the behavior to key into our database and pull up this content. Prescription medication, there's a fair amount of information behind this that's not necessarily present. So when I put it on the Mirror shelf, thanks to an RFID reader, I can look at information that's personalized and streamlined to what I need to know right now, which is how many days left are my prescription, when my next appointment is, etc.